How to edit videos on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, just click any video that you want, or you can just take from your gallery over here. I'm going to click a video over here. Okay, now to edit the video, if you want, you can see different menu bars over here at the right corner of the screen. So if you want to add text, you can just tap on the T section and then you can add the background. You can set the duration of the video. So for example, if I want to add the background, I'm gonna type in hey, and you can select any design of the font over here. After that, you can just tap on that, okay, and you can also trim the video if you want. You can redraw the border to redefine your selection. You can just draw, or you can have a rectangle. After that, go back, you can add your music as well. So let's add music over here. You can So after adding the sound, you can also use your voiceover by tapping on the speaker. You can give a retouch and so on. And after editing the video, you can publish it, or you can put it anywhere. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.